Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Purereviews. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you find this particular video helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. It really helps out the channel a ton. And today's product that I'm featuring is available on Amazon, so I'm going to include a link in the description that will take you to the product page where you can check out the current price point and all the various details. So check that out in the description. Okay, so today's product I want to share with you is a cool toy for those kiddos, and it is a remote control 1 to 12 scaled car that also turns into a robot. So this is the box that's going to come in once you order it. And then once you open it up, you are going to get the car itself. You're going to get the remote control here. Then you are going to get a USB charging cable here. And this is how you're going to charge the lithium batteries. Now it includes 2 lithium batteries here. The one is already in the device itself. I've already pre-charged it up. But basically you just connect the contacts like so. And it just snaps together, and then plug this into any USB port and it will charge. There is a little light here that lets you know whether it's red or green, lets you know how far along it is in its charging cycle. Then there is a quick little instruction on the different controls of the remote. So let's kind of go over the remote here because the buttons here are in Chinese, but you have the button over here, which is going to basically move forward or backwards. And then this one is going to turn left or right. The button right here is going to, you hold it down and it is going to transform into the robot. And then this other button, if you hold it down, it's going to go into kind of like demo dancing mode. And the robot will open up, close down, dance, play a bunch of music, and all that kind of fun stuff. Now on the back here is a little door. Open that up, and it takes 2 AA batteries. So let's kind of go over the car itself here. So the car itself, as you can see, looks really, really cool here. It's got some lights in the front here that light up. And then there's the gesture control sensors in the front. On the bottom side here is you have this little trap door. Open this up, and this is where the battery basically is plugged in. Now, if you want to store the other battery in here, you can. There is plenty of room, which is nice that they left that room in there for storing the battery, the spare one. So that way you don't lose it, or your kids don't lose it, etc. And then right here is basically the power button to turn the device on. So we're going to just turn it on here. And as you can see, the lights at the front start blinking. And then to turn it into the transfer mode, like I said, just hold it there and then it changes over. And as you could heard, it has various different sounds. Like I said, it plays music, it has very robot-y sounds, and then then it turns into this cool little robot, and you can drive this little guy around and play with him. So that is very, very cool, and like I said, it has these different gesture controls that you can use too, and then the other button is going to put it in the dance mode to where it'll start dancing around and showing you basically entertainment without having to worry about driving it. Okay guys, that is basically all the ins and outs of this robot car here. If you're looking for a great toy for the kiddos, you definitely check this out. It is kind of cool with all its different features of turning as a race car or a robot. Can provide lots of fun, and like I said, it comes with 2 batteries, so if one runs out, you can continue on playing. So that is basically it. If there was something I missed in the comments, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond. And until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.